Hi guys, my name is Vicky from Victrolia Crafts. Today I'm going to show you how to do a magic circle. So you're going to need some yarn and your hook. I'm just using any hook, it doesn't matter for this. So take your yarn across your palm, the end of your yarn, around your finger, bring it around, turn your hand and cross over to the back. Okay, it's like an X. Hold it with your middle finger, then take your hook, come under this front section here with your hook. I use my finger just to guide it. Okay, then grab this back part, pull it underneath and up so it creates a loop. Then yarn over and pull through to make a single chain. And then you work your stitches in this loop. I'll show you. We'll do some single crochets real quick. 3, 4, 5, 6. That's usually the common amount. And then you take this loose tail and you pull it, and it closes up that circle. See? So that you can start working around these stitches and just keep going around and around. So let's do that one more time. Yarn across your palm and your forefinger, pull the yarn around and wrap it around your finger to create the X, just like this. Okay, grab it with your middle finger, take your hook, go underneath this front part. Again, use your finger if you have to get it to come under, like this. Use your hook to grab this back part and pull it under and up so it creates a little loop. Okay, yarn over, oops, pull it through that little loop to create a chain, and then you have your magic circle where you can work all your stitches. Okay, thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to see more videos from me. Bye.